A scissor stands as a testament to the beauty of functionality and precision. It is a symbol of craftsmanship, innovation, and the art of refining tasks. From fabric to paper, the scissor effortlessly adapts to diverse cutting needs. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool in households, offices, and creative spaces alike. The scissor's compact design makes it a portable companion, ready to tackle cutting tasks wherever needed. In the world of fashion and textiles, the scissor is a revered tool. Seamstresses and tailors rely on its precision to bring intricate designs to life, and in the corporate landscape, the scissor is a quiet hero. From neatly trimming documents to opening packages, it plays a crucial role in maintaining an organized and efficient workspace. For more information about how you can use these domestic tools to generate income or ease life, visit hcm.co.ug.